Hello. Hello. Sweet. Alrighty, let's get traded. Oh. Alrighty. We can't add anymore. Oh, hang on. Sweep. Alright. know my analysis said I'm super bullish, not maintaining bullish structure at all. But it kind of is. Just because it went down yesterday, or technically today, doesn't mean it's not bullish. That's just technically a pullback. Came down, swept these daily lows right here, which I kind of like to see. I'm still pretty bullish, unless I see a close below this, and then another close below that. I'm probably going to stay bullish. I like 23,500, like my analysis said. I think we're going to get a push up that way. It's not that far. Where are we at? Right here. 23,500 right there. 2, 3, 1% days, we're good. We're there. You know what I mean? That's easy work for this market, especially with how bullish we are. Like, look at this. This is 1 week. 5% in a week, easy. What's another 3%? I got take profit trader. And a bullet ox.
Order filled.
Let's find a better place to put that stop loss. Hourly candles, keep it under that one. It's about to close in 15 minutes. As long as it doesn't come out and sweep that low, it might want to come down and sweep that. I don't even know how much that is, honestly. Like 120 bucks. It's right there. 300 bucks. Wait, nothing. I don't want to see that. So 200 ticks. I'm going for probably 1,000. Just like it a lot. I've been bullish. Yesterday was not bullish, which makes me think today is stupid bullish. So we'll be all right. Whoa. Just messing with it. My bad. Not really an entry model here. Not a whole lot going on. Came down, swept some of these lows. A lot of these lows, actually, yesterday. So it makes me think we're still going to go up. I kind of like how it swept those lows. I don't know if it's going to come down and take these like I thought. We could see this looks very, very bearish, but I look at it as the sell side of the curve, and then we're going to have the buy side of the curve. Tomorrow, what time does this start? Okay, so like right after 1600, so there's the vertical lines. So that's market close tomorrow. I could see that easily. We might not hit it. Might. What's the next close? Oh, I always forget. Am I on 1900, 7 o'clock? I changed it to freaking. I don't know why. Do. It always confuses me. But it's okay. That's market close tomorrow. And the next day. I'd like to see something along that line of being like something like that all the way to 23.5. I don't think it's gonna get all the way up there, but I like the idea of it. You know what I mean? Buy side of the curve, sell side of the curve, all the way up. I'd hold this trade all night. I would have been in earlier, but I had to get home and get off work and all that. Quit my job today. Talking to nobody, but I'm about to win this trade. Where's my trade review? Literally, TradingView is giving me ads for other people. If we sweep these 1 minute lows, I kind of like that. Honestly, I want to see it bounce off this little order block. Really, that's the order block. But I don't know. See, it's supposed to be obvious. I hate trading the 1 minute chart. I'm going back. Okay. That's the order block, just like I was thinking. I like how it has the order block, fair value gap. If it comes back into this, I'm going to probably place an order right there. Huh? How do I get this shit to work?
Order filled.
Some of that B12. I don't know how much I'm supposed to take. I think that 500. Take 5. It's supposed to help with your brain. It says take 1. Huh. believe I'm risking like 500 for 2,500 or some shit. I'm not even sure. It'll be alright. I just like the trade. I'm bullish. I've been waiting for some kind of pullback. I was getting long here yesterday on a practice account, and I lost a crap ton. I know Pine's live. Stock Tiger. The Compton Trader. He's always live though. I ain't giving you no signals. Homie's trying to trade me the Lexus my little brother bought. Goofy. Goofy. Good games. Yo, got one view. Type in chat. Keep me busy. I'm not sure if you have to be a follower or not. Or, yeah, subscribe. Just subscribe, do it. Can you hear me? I'm not sure. That'll probably be better. I could throw some headphones in, I don't know. Ugh. I'm the Compton now. I'm the new stock tiger. Just kidding. No shade on him. I just don't want to retest right there. Can y'all, like, I'm not sure. I'm going to type in chat on another account. Excuse me. For my two viewers, one of them was probably me a second ago, but I'm playing the buy side of the curve. That's what I'm thinking is going to happen. Try not to predict it, but it looks like it. If it breaks structure, then yeah, it kind of already did. Kind of not. Made a higher low. So we'll see. I got in late. Would have wanted to been in earlier. But we'll figure it out. See what happens. If we do go lower below my entry, I will add probably a couple more. Because it's just an eval that I just got. I won $250 on freaking stake last night. So I got me a take profit and a Bullinox. Win, sell a course. Whenever I could prove I'm profitable. I'm not that good. I'm just trading just to kind of not overtrade. Because if y'all are watching, I'll be nervous, you know? I want to see a little pullback here, just to add. But Reaper Trader, where are you from? How you doing? White America. Yo, thanks for the follow. I appreciate. Which part of America? I'm from California. White America just reminds me of that Eminem song. Arizona. I just got back from there, kind of. I was about 45 minutes south of Blythe for the river all weekend. It was pretty bitchin'. Enjoyed it. Can you hear me all right? Too loud? Too quiet? My first stream, so I'm getting used to all this. Cool. So, little details about me. Kind of quit my job today. I got an interview Wednesday, or signed the paperwork Wednesday. Pretty bitchin'. Pretty stoked. Pretty excited. It's supposed to be a lot more money, which means I could trade more. Because this job, I just haven't had money to trade. I've been practicing. Do I have my own Discord? I do not. I just wanted to test it out, stick my foot in the water, see how cold it is, warm it is, see how it feels, kind of keep myself on track. If I get enough viewers to where people are interested in a Discord, maybe I'll make one. We're getting a little pullback here. We're at 22,860s. So I don't know if you've seen my other video, but at the end of the week, I'm hoping for 23,500. I mean, I could. Cornholio, I just don't know how. Let me see. Find or start a conversation. Yeah, that's not that friend. How do you do it? Yeah, I don't use Discord like that, to be honest. I just hop in chats. Wonder how delayed it is. Probably a few seconds. Add a server. Create my own. For a club or community. DaveTrades futures. There we go. Create. Invite your friends. It's literally called DaveTrades futures. Oh, there you go, sir. I made one. Welcome. Indices. Metals. There we go. I made a few. But I'll be in the live chat. Or probably the indices. Usually. 5 views. That's pretty good, Jim. I didn't think that. Low key should have added in. It's all right though. Don't knock my analysis. If you guys want to see my analysis for last week, which was like to the T, it's gonna be on my channel. I like called that 600 level and the 23K level. I thought that was pretty cool. I don't always call it like that, just to be honest. Looks like we're pushing up. If anything, I'd probably only do live every once in a while. Ooh. Now we're pushing. I like that candle. We weren't really in like a 4-hour fair value gap, I don't think. We might have been. We just shot past it, which I see them shoot past the fair value gaps quite often. High time frame buy side of the curve, but there ain't no sell side buy. Yeah, that is. But could have came down to here, which we did, and we reversed on the 15. So we had a market structure shift, break of structure, but then that. So I'd consider that one big move. Everybody in this Discord is telling me they're shorting. I don't like that. They're telling me they're shorting yesterday, and I was wrong. I was trying to long all these, and then I didn't trade this morning, so didn't do the best yesterday, but it was just a practice count. Today is the real sheet. If we close bullish, honestly, I still like it, even if we do close as a bearish candle. I still think we could push up quite a bit. I kind of want to add more, but I'm waiting for a bigger pullback, kind of. They say I'm getting cooked. I might. I don't know. I swear every time. What? I don't know if y'all can see this. Those guys' charts. How the hell? It's so slow. I think the 4 hour just closed too. Like 15 minutes ago. Oh no, it closed a while ago. The hourly did close. Created the 80 biggest fair value gap. I want it to create a new high right here. Come back and test this. When you get a top step payout, you get a girlfriend finally. I actually have a wife and a kid. And I'm actually not that deep in the hole on combines and stuff because I've been practicing risk management since I started. And I'm a cheapskate. So I've been literally using every prop firm deal I could. I like these $15 evals. I'm 24. I'm about to be 25 at the end of the year. Do I look old or do I look young? Bro, my mouse is about to die. And I have no batteries. No, but I don't have to resort to the damn freaking keypad on my PC. So how do I do this? You know how TradingView works on freaking... Like literally, I just want to... Why? What does that mean? Account ID should be greater than 0. Oh. That's how we do it. Can I do it now or what? Non-tradable symbol. What does that mean? Yo, you gotta help me out. You can't just watch me struggle like this. Well, I got filled. So 22,846 down here. I can't move it, can't do nothing. Let me reset this. Didn't even get filled. Technically. What the hell? I mean, I don't like it, but I'm making it work. So we never took out Asia or London highs yesterday. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna want to go up here. Probably not tonight, maybe tomorrow. That's not the one I had. And that's ugly. Up candles, blue, blue, blue. There's the black wick, black, black, black. There we go. I like that. I don't even like the red and green candles. I don't even know how to change them.
Alfred, have a great day. David Pesky, you study your own channel? What is it? What's the name of the channel? Big man in the house. What is up, big man? I hope you're having a great day. I'm kind of struggling on this trade right now. Getting it. Oh dear. 878, 880 right now. I did see a rising wedge. The thing is, I did see a rising wedge, but I mean, this kind of rising wedge is, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, it kind of makes sense too. I mean, good catch there. I think Byron definitely has a good point. We have this little bit of a rising wedge. So this rising wedge kind of coincides with the major level of resistance here, pumping into the 880, 890. And then they get a pullback here. Is that what it is? Is that what this market's trying to do? Yeah, I have no stop. I mean, I'm not gonna put a stop on this trade. If he wants to stop me out, then it's gonna blow my account. I'm taking a stab at this trade right now. So back to Minton, what is up, bro? What is up? Guys, we've got DaveTrades. He's live streaming right now. FYI, I'm gonna subscribe to his channel too. A little bit of shout out. Handsome.
Thank you, Pine. Or not Pine, Tiger.
And, it really requires a great level of confidence to kind of like get into live streaming, but Dave's done it. Good job.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, 882.
Thank you, Stock Tiger.
Oh dear, guys. I could be in trouble on this one. Yeah, I'm a little concerned about this trade, I'll be honest with you. I'm not gonna lie, I feel a bit uncomfortable, but I'm still going to stick to my thesis until, let's see how long, let's just take a look at my drawdown here for a moment. I've got $1,600 on this account, but that's $1,600 remaining on this account right now. So in order to blow this account, I've got to be, so this market has to be above 937 to kind of stop me out. To blow this account, it needs to be above 937. Do we really get up there? That's the
I appreciate Stock Tiger. That's pretty cool.
I do kind of feel like as soon as you try to pop
How you guys
over,
doing today?
I would say, oh man, the problem is,
If you haven't checked it out already, check out my last 2 weekly analysis videos. The last one was pretty good. I was able to call it pretty decent. This week, I'm just stupid bullish. I might be wrong, though. So we'll see what happens. Right now, I'm trading a Trade of 8 and, Take Profit Trader and a Bullinox. I won $250 off stake.com. So I was like, all right, free accounts, sweet. Might as well, One gamble site to another. My analysis at the moment: sell side of the curve, buy side of the curve. we're basically going to see this. Where is... Not good. This yet. This is what I'm looking for. Something like that. What they say, cup and handle, or market maker sell model, market maker buy model. I've been trading ICT just for a little bit now. I was never good at anything else, so I decided to go back to the basics, basic market structure, candlestick patterns, like just the candlestick, and then I got into ICT with the liquidity sweeps, fair value gaps, and so far it's kind of working, but I'm not profitable yet, just saying. Getting there. I'm streaming just to kind of not overtrade, because if I lose a trade, I usually get pretty tilted and want to make that money back. And if you guys are watching me and I start getting tilted, you guys could say something. Kick me off the charts, So right now I'm in a long 866. I'm hoping it comes back down to 839 for another pump up. I'd like to see the market break a structure right here. We'll see what happens. I was watching Stock Tiger because I was all by my lonesome. But now I got 2 viewers, so I'm actually kind of stoked. I got up to 4. That's pretty cool. We're about to hit that high a day again. And then I think we're just going to bust on through. Keep going. I'm bullish, so you just pretty much just buy in and pray. That's all you can do when you're bullish. I seen it was in a 15-minute fair value gap from like way over here, or it might have been an hourly or something. I don't know. Let me check. Yeah, so fair value gap from right there. I believe it's 15-minute. I don't like dropping down to the 1 minute, but I like how it tapped into that and just launched up. I figured on the 1 minute it'd be all right. So I'll either trade the 15-minute or the 5. Keep these high time frame candles just to see what's going on. What I can't figure out is what the hell. How do I fix that? I have to go into Tradeovate, I guess. I was trying to fix it, but I can't figure out where. Um, Let me try to refresh that again. Verify your account status with the broker to ensure everything is enabled. Let me go to my Tradeovate. We're supposed to be in simulation, I believe. And I'm pretty sure it's on the add-ons. It says active. I don't know. I have no.
For a live account, if you're on a personal account, then you definitely need a new email, I think. I don't think you need to stay email from normal. I mean, try to make customer service, they're pretty fast in response, in responding to your emails, so I think they should be able to help you out with that, but from my understanding, you have to have a different email address. Honestly, I think I feel like it's bullish, but so I don't know. We'll see. I hate this sort of a slow grind move. The upside, especially during Asia, it can really damage you. You know why I hate stuff like this happen during Asian markets because slow grind for about a couple hours, and all of a sudden you get this 40 points move to the upside from nowhere, absolutely from nowhere, and that's what happens during Asia, and that's why it's unpredictable. So when you have a slow grind to the upside,
Maybe it's on Take Profit Trader that I have to do it. That's the only thing I could guess.
Hey, Perfexler in the house. What is up, Perfexler? What is up, bro? It's been a long time. How you been? How was Sweden? Oh, sorry, not Sweden. Swiss. I hope all is well with you. Rob Walsh in the house. The order flow looks bullish.
How do you get this going?
It does look bullish to me. We'll see though. I mean, it's Asian market. A lot of things can change. Always we have to remind ourselves this is Asian market. Asian market, a lot of things can happen. It does look bullish, but hey, we can literally see like 40 points move to the downside from nowhere. If some volume start to pick up again, and that's bearish move, we see a big downgrade. A lot of things can change, and that's why we're in
Take
right
Profit Trader.
At least you're still holding 880, which obviously is a key level right now. And the more we start to sit around this level, I think that's not going to be good for the market. The bears. Byron, that looks like a sweep to me. I just got short. I don't know. I could be really wrong. I'm just trying to stay patient on this, but this is really something that I hate the most when you have the slow grind to the upside. And looks like he wants to pull back, but then he starts to bounce again. And this is a classic example of what you're witnessing right now. We'll see, guys. 890 is another key level. If we break that, and we have a lot more room to the upside. And somebody mentioned about ascending wedge. This definitely looks like an ascending wedge.
Take Profit Trader traders can use and of course do whatever they want with TradingView because they are integrated. Here you will be able to see different brokers you can connect to. However, there is no Take Profit Trader, and this is because you actually don't have to connect it since TradingView is used by Take Profit Trader already. So Take Profit Trader traders can use and of course do whatever they want with TradingView because they are integrated. Now, Take Profit Trader supports multiple platforms, but one of them of course is TradingView, and basically it allows you to chart and do whatever you can, basically the same as you can do on tradingview.com over here. So you don't actually have to connect anything because it's already interconnected, and whenever you get yourself a Take Profit Trader account, of course the charts in there, you'll have an option to use the charts from TradingView. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.
That guy didn't help at all.
That's a big bounce.
Oh, we going up. Well, I'm in a trade, so I can't really do anything at the moment.
And this can move pretty fast too. Oh damn! I just put myself in a real big trouble. Who cares about this right here? That's this trade. I'm more concerned about this one. Oh my god.
Whoa, there we go. I should have just reconnected it in the first place. Okay, I like these highs up here. I don't know how much that's going to be. I'm going to move 0.5% up. What's that, 120 points? Times 2. We'll buy in with 2 more. Modify order. Let's do 4. Modify. Come on, load. Add 1 more. You guys are crazy. Okay, confirmations. Alright, cool. I'm glad. Sell 4 at that limit, so perfect. I don't know where the. Oh yeah, I got it way up there. I think that's just a past that count, I think. I'm not even really sure. If I go right here though, scroll up and it'll tell me how much I can make. I think it's like 2,500. 2,300, yeah. I'm not really worried about that much. I at least want to get that 15 for the half day, even though there is no consistency or nothing. But that's cool. Type in chat. Keep me company. Come on. The reason why the Bullinox is in a better position because it's easier to set up and get going. So of course it's going to be easier to. I really wanted to add it. I know I should have. It's alright. kind of want to take a contract off, so if it does go lower, I could buy another. I still think we're going up. See what the 1 minute chart looks like. I hate this one. So I'm trying for like $300 a day on this one. Just because it's a 5-day pass and it's a 50% consistency. So I might as well just go for low numbers. I always try to go too high and blow them. Haven't had an account in a bit. It's probably been about a month. I blew 2 Bullinox fundeds. Trying to learn from my mistakes. Sometimes I just add in when I really like the trade. And as it goes in my favor. Because I really like that bottom wick of the 4 hour. And then it just launched up. I don't even think that's the 4 hour. I think that's. I don't know what that is. Let's see. Oh, it is the 4 hour. That's cool. But yeah, I like the way that 4 hour looks. I wanted to get it at the bottom of the wick, but I couldn't figure out freaking it for the life of me, you know? stock tiger, you're still short. I'm gonna do like a mic check real quick. Mic check, mic check.
Mic check, mic check.
No, it's not bad. I just
Mic
need
check,
to down.
mic check. No, it's not bad. I just mic check, mic check.
I should not be listening to myself. I can hear it. Sorry, guys. Come on, let's keep on pumping. Ain't no dumping. So far up 250. Oh, we're still going. Sweet.
So I need to practice that. I need to get in, get out. I typically try to do that. Today was like, I don't say it was bad. For the most part, I just I bypassed the trades at work. Yeah, for sure, CT. We do that both ways. We all men do that, right? Yeah. Get in and get out. In, out, just like a thief in the night. Yeah, there we go. Man, this thing is just grinding, grinding, grinding. I didn't like CT. What was the rant? I mean, I can see it from both angles, I guess. I mean, I do think the lawsuit was stupid. On one side,
What's with everyone being so bearish?
Patrick, who portrayed a lifestyle. Oh man. Looks like I won't be able to make it to the track day. My race mat axles need replacing again. Again? Have you been to ECS2D.com? ECS2D.com? Why? Well, because I have a lifetime replacement program. Okay, but these are OEM performance parts. OE performance, aftermarket, OEM, they cover everything for European cars. What about that expensive shipping cost? They got free shipping on orders over $49, and you're local, so you could actually do in-store pickup. What's the website again? ECS2D.com. Perfect.
Does Take Profit Trader? I honestly didn't even look. Probably shouldn't do that.
If you and it's later.
End of day trailing drawdown. So it's not intraday trailing. Because I know Bullinox is intraday. So as it goes up, this goes down. So I'm like 125 away from my peak. Which that doesn't bug me too much, but you just gotta watch out for that. I should have sold one up there. Or two. Okay. Why can't I see chat no more? It's okay, it's okay. I guess screw chat. Just kidding. As long as I'm still alive. Try one more time.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna take a look and see what this market does at this neckline area. And, let's see if we break out this. We've got 208 moving average there, and we've got a major level of resistance in the run at that day. So that's a real big one. It's a big level right now. So we got a pivot here, you and that pivot too. Getting really close to all the major levels. Let's see now what the market does.
Order filled.
Here, so this little one more here too. Here too. So 2 key levels. I'm gonna watch for right now. See what the market does. Key levels. One here. One here as well. And looking at my position at 937. The average could probably end up being somewhere here. If this thing gets a little push and it triggers my entry, then probably my average will be somewhere here. Maybe we get a little pull back down. We test this 900, 910, and maybe try to see if I can actually get out of this trade. Let's see.
Gotta shave again.
I want to push though. A push.
So we're bottom of Asia and London lows.
Yeah,
We're top.
missed
Yeah.
this.
No.
Here.
I'm expecting up here. I want up there. We shall see. I don't know how, but I can't see chat no more. I mean, I could try to fix it.
That's about to go down right now. So we end up getting a bounce at this 935. I still could have a chance.
Look at, I've had 11 views.
Let's see what it does. But wow, what a move to the upside here. One straight line. That would give us a chance to even think about it twice.
How did I just do that? Oh well. Sorry, guys.
Frozen peas.
McDonald's gift certificate. Nice. Buy some McFlurries.
Guys, just give me 2 minutes. I'm just gonna go grab some coffee. 2 minutes, I'll be right back. 2 minutes, I'll be right back.
Got a question for y'all. Oh, wrong account. Whoops. Why is everybody short, bro? Everybody is short. Tell me he's not short. Let me see what. Oh my god. Y'all making me nervous. You freaking kidding me?
It's gonna have to be a short or whatever the slang is for it.
Bro, everybody's short. If Dakota goes short, I'm getting out.
Yeah, it is. That 37s looks like a decent area. I'm trying to think with this trade how I would manage
I
this
haven't
one.
looked at
We
gold
haven't
in a
really
minute.
gotten to a 2-to-1 on my risk, so I think I kind of have to leave it. But
See how
we are
gold's
just
looking.
consolidating a little bit here. Yeah, that's right. I am the DJ.
We never made
When
it back to the
we do one of
highs.
those like those drum covers. You ever see those YouTube videos that play a song? The drummers just
We
doing
do
a
like
cover
a
of it.
short down to
Oh, yeah.
3306.
Yeah. Need some Nick Dolby drum fills over these tunes.
And that's like some kids. Who was it? Dobie knows this.
Travis Barker.
Black Sabbath's last performance.
Oh yeah. It was.
Order filled.
Yes, that was this weekend. Yep.
Well, where Ozzy showed up and kind of passing of the torch type stuff.
Right.
Jeff Brow says I watched it. Okay. Nasdaq still holding above 900s. You're in that short gold.
Yeah, in short gold, long a couple of the equities. Again, this is just a combine. Testing some stuff out here. And again, I want to see. I'm thinking about management of this trade, right? Ideally, I want to be in a couple of positions, letting them work and seeing how to manage each one. Ideally, what I'm doing is when a trade gets to 1-to-1 for the risk, I'm securing some profits, right? Because it doesn't make sense to have a 1-to-1 and then take a loser on the trade.
Oof.
But I need to find a pivot to kind of trail behind, and I don't really have a great one besides this one up here, 33, 45, 70.
I freaking suck at gold, bro.
Yeah, I mean Nasdaq's continuing to push session highs too. So I mean that's not
right.
Sometimes I see traders. Even this blows my mind, Jay. Sometimes I'll be like long or short gold, and they'll be like, God, Dakota just didn't want to short the Nasdaq, or he just was embarrassed to short the Nasdaq. Gold and Nasdaq are not 100% correlated. I've seen Nasdaq go up and gold go up like 2% the same day. So if you do think that you want to short gold because you're bullish like the Nasdaq, to me, my own personal belief is that it's the wrong mindset because it's not. They're not that correlated. Nasdaq could go up, gold could go up. Nasdaq go up, gold could go down.
I want to see it scoop that.
Completely two different markets. However, in general,
If it sweeps this, we're definitely dumping,
overall
I believe.
are just selling off, then typically you see some of the safe haven
That was an
like
overtrade.
gold
My bad, man.
catch a bit, right? They'll go up. That's kind of the idea of it, and it's not. I don't think. I think it's too hard to time from a day trading perspective. That's more of like a sweet trade.
Yeah. And again, it does not matter what market you trade. The money, if you can win a trade at the end of the day, is going to be great.
Yeah. Heck, I've seen some people try and code algorithms comparing the two, and it made it work out a little bit. I don't know how it completely went.
Alright, we're at 100 ticks. I'm going to take off 2.
Where it's like the NASDAQ drops 50 points, then they buy, what was it? I think it was some type of a spread in the metals market. I don't know. It was some weird thing.
That's just to lock in
They
a
were
little quick
using the
profit.
NASDAQ, going up or down 50 points for a trigger on a different market.
Because I'm only trying to get
Interesting.
300 a day. If I could do 4 or 5, I'm fine with that. But I don't want to do too much.
Somebody in the chat said if you don't take profit at a 1-to-1, your stop should go to break even. I would argue against that, depending on what
Order filled.
right, what you're risking. Like
Same
for
thing
most
here.
of these trades, I wasn't risking
I don't want to go too high.
less than $500.
Just lock in a little bit of profit
If I
with
get
that.
to a 1-to-1, I don't need to
Boom.
leave with 0. Right?
See, that's a good day right there, son.
$100, I think, on a trade. Right?
Realistically, we're probably going right here.
I was risking originally about 720.
I like those session highs from yesterday.
If this trade comes back and stops me out,
We took out the. We didn't take out the lows, but I want to see those session highs.
Again, maybe my target's a little bit too far. I am looking to the left and seeing that there's some levels that we could bounce off of. But
Forgot about gold.
taking 0 on this, I don't think would feel great. So I'm gonna take something off the table. Don't be saying, oh, break even, right? Ideally, what I do is I'm in one lots in all these trades, right? So ideally, what I would do is trade multiples and take some off, right, at these pivots, and make trade management decisions from there. But you can see there's no reason to take this off yet. All right, so my first loser out of these 6 trades was micro Bitcoin. I was long, stopped me out for $90. But the other 6, the other 5,
40 minutes to this 4-hour close.
Yeah, I mean that I see comments like that all the time. Move your trade, move your stop, tighten your stop, move it to break even. And
I'm probably not going to stream that long. I'm already
I really do.
run it
Some
for.
of my best trades overnight, like slow market,
know.
I'll set it, I'll pull my stop loss, I'll go to bed, and then I just wake up and it's my take profit and my stop loss are somewhere in between. And you don't move your stop when you're sleeping. And sometimes it's came down really close to my stop and then completely turned around, almost hit the take profit, and then turn around again and almost hit the stop, and turn around and it just hit my take profit. And if you would have moved either your stop loss or your take profit, it would have been a loser. So there's always arguments for both. Obviously, if the market turns around and just completely goes against you, you're happy that you moved your stop loss to break even or in profit. But if it goes back to your break even and then turns around and hits your take profit, you're going to be feeling the opposite, right? So whatever it is that you do in this market, make sure you can measure it and make sure you can make that decision and have it backed by data usually. And yeah, statistics say I need to move my stop loss to break even to have better expectancy. Then do it. Everything you do in these markets needs to have a reason behind it.
30 points up. 29. Kill Tony's live. I put the chat back on, even though I can't see it. I didn't know it turns it off. AC was on, but the window was open. Jackwagon. They kicked me out of the Top Step chat. That's fuck gay. Bro, I just found out Top Step banned me. That's so gay.